Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Netspend account on your PC. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open a web browser first. Into the URL box at the top, type in www.netspend.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Netspend, which looks like this. In order to activate a card on your Netspend account, go and click on the Activate Card option at the top right-hand corner. Now, you'll need to enter your card details into the text box in order to activate your new Netspend card. Go and type in your card number, which is 16-digit long, and the information is available right on your Netspend card you'd like to activate. Now, type in the 3 digits number that is located at the back of your Netspend card, and after your information is correct, the Continue button will pop up. Simply click on Continue and follow the on-screen prompts on the next page, and you'll be able to activate your account or activate your card on Netspend. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.